Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with new topic. In last period we studied about English grammar, correct? And today English grammar we studied last week. After that we studied about the keyboards, correct or not? Letters on a tab and computer keyboard. That also we studied in last two periods. Today we are going to start with new lesson of English Bal Bharati. The name of our lesson is sounds in the middle of words. What is name of our lesson? Sounds in the middle of words. Now there are some sounds. There are consonants and vowels. Correct? There are consonants and vowels. We have already studied in English grammar book that first 2-3 lessons we have studied that alphabetical order. We have studied about lesson alphabets. How many alphabets are there? There are total 26 alphabets in English language. That 26 alphabets are again divided. त्याचे त्या 26 लेटर्सचे आपण काय केलेले दोन ग्रुप तयार केलेले. एक ग्रुप असतो व्हॉवेल्स आणि दुसरा ग्रुप असतो कॉन्सोनंट्स. करेक्ट? One group is what? One group is of vowel and another group is of consonants. Then consonant is having how many letters? Consonant is having 21 letters. Vowels is having how many letters? Vowels are having 5 letters. In this way, there are two groups, two teams are made of letters. One is of vowels, one is of consonants. Then vowel sounds. Further, we are going to study about vowel sounds. What is vowel sounds? Vowel sounds means the sounds which comes out from 5 letters. A, E, I, O, U. A, I, O, E. These are what? These are sounds. And about those sounds we are going to study today in this lesson. Okay? Sounds in the middle of words. Middle of the words means what? If the word is of 3 letters. If the word is of 3 letters, for example, B, A, T, bat. So middle letter is of what? A. Then A is which sound? It is vowel sound. A is which sound? A is vowel sound. If I will say E, G, G, egg, then E is which sound? E is egg, A, E. Or then B, E, G, beg, for example, a middle sound, middle letter. Then B, E, G, beg. When I will say B, E, G, beg, E is what? Be, A, E. E sound is there. A sound, E sound, I sound, O sound, U sound. They are what? They all are vowels. What are they? They are vowels, and about those sounds we are going to study today. I will show you first point. You have English Bal Bharati books. I know it very well. I will show you first point. Here see lesson number 8. Lesson number 8. Sounds in the middle of words. First, write A in each middle square. Can you see square? There are 2 squares, and in both squares, what they have told us? They have told us to write down A. Okay. Now, for example, if I will write down first question number 1, write A in each middle square. In each middle square. Now I will draw those squares. Okay. Now in this way first column, in this way second column. Okay. Have you understood? Then B, your C is there, your T is there, and your G is there. And in this example, they have told us to write down which letter in the middle? Write A in each middle square. Understood? How many squares are there in this figure? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. How many squares are there? Is it visible? Yes. There are 5 squares. This is 1 square, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Total how many squares are there? 5 squares are there, and in the middle or middle square is which one? This is middle square. Hamadla square is correct. You might have studied figures: square, rectangle, then what is a triangle, circle in maths. So they have told us to write down A in the middle. What they have told us in the book, it is told that write down A in the middle square. Then which words we got by adding A? By adding A, we got B-A-G, bag. Okay. C-A-T, cat. Which words we have got? We have got two words. B-A-G, bag. C-A-T, cat. And middle, which sound is there? A sound is there. Correct? It is which sound? A sound is which sound? It is vowel sound. A is vowel sound. Now again one more example. Another figure is given in the book that is of same by adding A in the middle square. What we have to add in middle square? We have to add A. So now J is there, F is there, here T is there, and here M is there. Understood? J, M, F, T. And in middle square we have to write what? We have to write A. If I will write A in the middle square, which words I will get by adding vowel sound? The letter which is having vowel sound, if I will add in the middle square, I will get which words? J-A-M, jam. And F-A-T, fat. Have you understood? This is what we have studied in first point. Can you see? Second example, we have added A in the middle square. By adding A in the middle square, what those words are becoming? The words which are becoming here is J-A-M, jam, F-A-T, fat. Understood? The second question which is given in the book is, write, I will show you. See second question. Write E, I, O, U in proper boxes. Now how many boxes are there? There are 4 boxes. काय करायचं? ह्या 4 बॉक्सेस मध्ये जिथे ई टाकता येईल तिथे ई टाकायचं आहे, जिथे ओ लिहिता येईल तिथे ओ लिहायचं आहे, जिथे आय लिहिता येईल तिथे आय लिहायचं आहे, आणि जिथे यू लिहिता येईल आपल्याला तिथे यू लिहायचं आहे. समजते? So 4 boxes are given. Already A is over. How many vowels are there? 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. From these 5 vowels, we have completed 1. Which we have completed? We have completed A. Which one we have completed? We have completed A. What we have to do? In second question, we have to write down E, I, O, U in the boxes given in the textbook. What you have to do? You have to open your textbook and you have to do question number 1. Okay? आणि हा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जो तुम्ही केलेला आहे बुक मध्ये, तो काय करायचा आहे? नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून काढायचा आहे. कोणत्या नोटबुक मध्ये लिहायचा? इंग्लिश बाल भारती नोटबुक, आपली क्लास वर्क नोटबुक, CW नोटबुक. इन CW नोटबुक what you have to write down? लेसनचं नाव लिहायचं आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 त्या नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून काढायचं. समजले? दिस इज युअर होमवर्क फॉर टुडे. Have you understood? Question number 2 we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay? Thank you.